Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials so the app can hear you. Grant microphone access when prompted, then sign in and verify so settings sync. Once done, plug in headphones or an external mic and select it in your device's sound settings. This avoids feedback and improves clarity. Make sure the app's input matches the system device to prevent silent recording. Now open the app and tap New Session to begin the actual setup and live test. Now configure how you'll broadcast and why each choice matters. Select Public for discoverability or Invite Only to control listeners. This affects moderation tools. Adjust gain to avoid clipping, enable noise suppression to reduce background hiss, and turn on echo cancellation to prevent loops. Once configured, run a 30 to 60-second test recording while watching level meters. This confirms input sensitivity and network stability. If levels, begin broadcasting by tapping Go Live and tell listeners what to expect so they stay engaged. Monitor listener feedback and use mute or moderator tools to manage interruptions. This keeps the stream professional. If audio cuts out or quality drops, first pause and check the app's input, then restart the app. Make sure microphone permission is still enabled and try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or a different network if lag persists. If the problem continues, reconnect your mic or use the built-in troubleshooting wizard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.